Hello, and a very warm welcome to English Improvement Hub. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Lacie, and today we're going on a powerful journey together. A journey that will completely change the way you think about English. If you've ever wished to speak English fluently without pausing, without translating, and without feeling nervous, you're in the right place. Today's session is not just about learning English, it's about living in English. We're going to train your brain to think in English, just like native speakers do. You don't need expensive classes, big books, or perfect grammar. What you need is a new way of using your mind. And that's what we'll build together in this 1-hour session. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and get ready. This is your time. This is your space. Let's begin. Let me explain something clearly. When you speak in English, do you feel nervous or slow? That's usually because your brain is trying to translate from your native language, maybe Hindi, Urdu, Bengali, Tamil, Korean, into English. This creates a delay. Your brain is working double, first thinking the idea, then searching for English words. But when you start thinking in English, your brain works faster. You speak smoothly, confidently, and sound more natural. Imagine this. An athlete on a field doesn't stop to think, should I move my leg now? No, their muscles respond instantly. That's called muscle memory. In the same way, when you build language memory, English will become automatic. Let me now guide you, step by step, on how to start thinking in English, even if you're a beginner. Step 1. Label your world. Start by looking at things around you and naming them in English. It sounds simple, but it trains your brain to connect English with reality. Don't think in any other language. Think like, this is a book. Examples. This is my bed. There is a blue pillow. Do this every day. Your brain will start identifying objects in English without translating. Step 2. Narrate your actions. Say what you're doing, out loud or in your mind. This teaches your brain to form English sentences naturally. Examples. I am brushing my teeth. I am boiling tea. Now I am opening the door. Even if you make mistakes, it's okay. This is brain training. Step 3. Think in simple sentences, start small. Think like this. I feel sleepy. This food is tasty. She is my sister. Then go deeper. I want to watch a movie tonight. Maybe I'll go for a walk later. Step 4. Use pictures, not translations. When you hear apple, don't think in other language. Picture the fruit in your mind. Visual thinking helps you avoid translation and builds faster memory. Children learn this way, and it's powerful for adults too. Now, let's practice together. I will guide you through real-life scenes. Listen, imagine, and repeat these thoughts in your mind, in English. Situation 1. Waking up. My alarm is ringing. I turn it off. I stretch my arms. The room is quiet. I want 5 more minutes. Situation 2. Going to the market. I'm walking to the shop. The sun is hot. I see bananas and tomatoes. I ask, how much for 1 kilo? I pay and put the vegetables in my bag. This kind of daily mental practice builds strong English reflexes. We all have an inner voice, that silent voice we use to think, reflect, worry, or plan. Right now, your inner voice might be in your mother tongue. That's okay, but let's change that, step by step. How to develop your English inner voice. Think in English for 5 minutes daily. Describe what you're seeing and doing. Ask questions to yourself in English examples. What should I eat today? Did I lock the door? What is my plan for tomorrow? Speak to yourself. No one is listening, no pressure, just you and your practice. You're doing great. Now, let's go one step further with advanced exercises. 1. Decision-making in English. Try solving your problems in English. Example, should I go to the gym now or after dinner? If I go now, I'll sleep better. Okay, let's go now. This trains your brain to think through real situations in English. 2. Journaling your thoughts. At night, write 5 to 6 sentences about your day in English. Use simple words. Example: I was busy today. I went to work. I helped my team. Then I cooked dinner and watched TV. This builds sentence flow and thinking power. 3. Visual imagination practice. Close your eyes. Imagine a beach, a city street, or a classroom. Now describe it. The sky is blue. Children are playing. I hear birds. Your mind will start forming English thoughts naturally. Let's talk honestly. Becoming fluent is not magic. It's practice. It's patience. It's daily effort. Many learners give up because they expect fast results. But here's the truth. Even 5 minutes a day of English thinking is powerful. Remember, mistakes are okay. They mean you are learning. Speak slowly but clearly. Start with short sentences. Practice in private first, then in public. Consistency matters more than speed. Don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to your past self. If you understand more, think more, speak more, you're winning. Thank you for staying with me for this deep English brain training session. You've taken a big step today toward fluency. Now it's your turn to continue this daily habit. If this helped you, please like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and leave a comment. What will you start with? Narrating your day or writing a short journal? This is Lacie, signing off for now. Keep thinking in English, keep learning, and always believe in your ability. You are stronger than you think. See you in the next session.